Have you ever wondered why some gardens seem to have more snake sightings than others? Is it really because of certain plants? Or is there something else happening? Many people believe that planting specific trees or shrubs automatically attracts snakes, but the reality is quite different. Snakes are not interested in flowers, leaves, or fruits themselves. They are searching for food, shelter, cool places to hide, and a safe environment away from predators. Some plants create exactly these conditions, making gardens more inviting for snakes without actually attracting them directly. In today's video, we'll explore that can unintentionally make your garden a comfortable place for snakes. We'll also explain why this happens and share practical tips to help you enjoy a beautiful garden while reducing the chances of unwanted snake visitors. Make sure you stay until the end, because the last few tips could make a big difference in keeping your home and family safe. Before we begin, it's important to understand how snakes choose a place to live. Unlike many animals, snakes don't build nests or homes. They constantly move in search of food, shelter, and favorable temperatures. If your garden has plenty of frogs, lizards, mice, insects, or birds, it becomes an attractive hunting ground. Dense plants provide shade during hot days and protection from predators. So, in most cases, it's not the plant itself that attracts snakes, it's the environment surrounding it. Let's begin with plant number 5, dense ground cover plants. Dense ground cover plants are popular because they make gardens look lush and green. Plants like ivy, creeping vines, and thick ornamental ground covers spread quickly across the soil, creating a carpet of leaves. While these plants are visually appealing, they also create cool, dark spaces underneath where snakes can remain hidden for hours without being noticed. The thick foliage makes it difficult for people to spot movement, giving snakes a perfect hiding place. If you love ground cover plants, don't worry, you don't have to remove them completely. Simply trim them regularly, avoid letting them become too thick, and keep walking paths clear. Whenever you're working in these areas, wear gloves and inspect the ground carefully before reaching into dense vegetation. Now let's move to plant number 4. Tall ornamental grasses have become a favorite in modern landscaping because they sway beautifully in the wind and add texture to gardens. However, when left untrimmed, they become dense and difficult to see through. Their thick stems provide excellent cover for snakes looking to escape the heat of the day. Tall grasses also attract insects and provide shelter for small animals such as mice and frogs. Since these animals are common prey for snakes, the entire area becomes an attractive hunting ground. The solution is simple. Trim ornamental grasses before they become overgrown. Remove dry leaves and grass clippings instead of leaving them in piles. Keeping the area around the grasses open and clean will make it much less appealing to wildlife seeking shelter. Coming in at plant number 3 is bamboo. Bamboo is loved for its fast growth, privacy, and elegant appearance. But beneath a large bamboo grove, conditions are often cool, shaded, and covered with layers of fallen leaves. These leaf piles create hiding places for insects, frogs, rodents, and other small animals. Naturally, snakes may visit these areas while searching for food. If you have bamboo in your garden, regular maintenance is essential. Remove fallen leaves, thin overcrowded stems, and keep the base of the bamboo visible rather than allowing thick debris to accumulate. A well-maintained bamboo grove is far less likely to provide comfortable shelter for snakes. Next is plant number 2, thick shrubs and hedges. Beautiful hedges add privacy and define the boundaries of a garden. But when they become overgrown, they create dark spaces underneath where sunlight rarely reaches. These cool, moist conditions are ideal for many small creatures, including frogs, lizards, and rodents. As prey animals gather beneath dense shrubs, snakes may also appear in search of food. Many homeowners are surprised to discover a snake hiding beneath a neglected hedge simply because the area had become a perfect habitat. Fortunately, preventing this is easy. Trim shrubs regularly, remove weeds growing underneath, and leave enough open space near the ground so you can easily see beneath the plants. Regular maintenance not only improves the appearance of your garden, but also reduces hidden spaces where wildlife can remain unnoticed. Finally, we've reached plant number 1, fruit trees. Fruit trees such as mango, guava, papaya, banana, or other fruit-bearing plants do not attract snakes directly. The real problem begins when ripe fruits fall onto the ground and remain there. Fallen fruits attract rats, mice, squirrels, insects, and other animals looking for an easy meal. Once rodents begin visiting regularly, snakes may eventually follow because they hunt these animals. This creates a simple chain reaction. Fallen fruit attracts rodents. Rodents attract snakes. The best solution is to collect fallen fruits every day, keep compost bins covered, and prevent rodent populations from growing around your property. A clean garden is far less attractive to both rodents and snakes. Common gardening habits that invite snakes. Now that we've covered the countdown, here are some bonus tips. Leaving piles of firewood in one place for months creates cool hiding spots. Stacks of bricks or construction materials can become shelter for rodents and reptiles. Compost piles that are left uncovered often attract insects and small animals. Tall weeds growing around fences create hidden pathways where snakes can travel unnoticed. Even pet food left outside overnight can attract rodents, indirectly increasing the likelihood of snake activity. Fortunately, keeping your garden safe doesn't require expensive equipment or chemicals. Simple maintenance makes the biggest difference. Keep your lawn trimmed, remove piles of leaves, clean up fallen branches, repair holes where rodents may enter, store firewood off the ground, and regularly inspect dark corners of your garden. Whenever you're gardening, wear closed shoes and gloves. Avoid placing your hands into thick bushes without checking first. If you're walking outside after sunset, carry a flashlight so you can clearly see the ground ahead. Conclusion. Most importantly, if you ever encounter a snake, remain calm. Do not attempt to catch, kill, or disturb it. Most snakes prefer to avoid people and will move away if left alone. Keep a safe distance and contact local wildlife or animal rescue professionals if the snake needs to be removed safely. A healthy garden and local wildlife can coexist when we understand nature instead of fearing it. Remember, snakes are not searching for your plants. They're searching for shelter and food. By maintaining a clean, open, and well-managed garden, you can significantly reduce the chances of snake encounters while still enjoying beautiful landscaping throughout the year. Thank you for watching. If you found this information useful, be sure to subscribe for more practical gardening tips, home safety advice, and fascinating facts about nature. We'll see you in the next video.